using the My Controls menu. Your RealWear head-mounted tablet is purpose-built to free your hands in industrial, rugged working environments with its voice-operated interface. For immediate access to the most common commands and functions on your device, we have developed the My Controls menu. You can access the My Controls menu from anywhere on your device by saying My Controls. A window will pop up on your screen with a horizontal row of commands, settings, and functions. The motion tracking capabilities of your device allow you to turn your head left and right to scroll through the menu. You can select the function you desire by saying its name. Below the function name is the status of that function. For example, if I say flashlight, my flashlight will be turned on, as indicated by the on status, flashlight. Now it is off. Some controls have sub-commands to select from. For example, if I say brightness, a sub-command will appear below, allowing me to select from several options. If you wait approximately 6 seconds without giving a sub-command, you will be returned back to the scrolling My Controls menu. The controls featured in My Controls include mouse, which toggles the head track mouse on or off. Auto rotate, which toggles on or off screen rotation. Action button. This will allow you to program your action button to return you to your home screen or activate the noise capture feature. Power options, which provides access to power management options. Bluetooth, which enables or disables Bluetooth. Wireless network, which enables or disables Wi-Fi. Flashlight, which turns on and off the flashlight. Brightness, which changes the brightness of the display. Volume, which changes the volume of the system. Microphone, which toggles on or off the auto mute function. Color mode, which toggles light and dark mode. Dictation, which toggles between local and cloud-based dictation. Help command, which toggles the visibility of the Show Help icon across all screens where it is visible by default. More settings. We'll exit the My Controls menu and take you to the full menu of settings. You can exit My Controls and return to your previous screen at any time by saying Navigate Back. For more help, you can visit realwear.com/support.